Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm a master creator with Vincent Ortega Jr.'s. Oh, sorry, my cat's getting in the video. Um, I am a master creator with Vincent Ortega Jr. Spooky. Okay, this is not working out too well. Let's do take two. Okay, let me see if I can do this. I want to talk to you about a new program that is about to launch. And again, my name is Lisa. I'm a master creator with Vincent Ortega Jr.'s SpeedWealth affiliate program and SpeedWealth website builder, the master creator website builder. And it's my cat keeps getting in the way, her whiskers. Oh my god. All right, this is being a little more challenging than I had imagined, but let's see if I can get through this without having to do another take. Okay. I am a master creator with what used to be known as Sales Vision, but now is called SpeedWealth, the SpeedWealth affiliate program and website building software and email broadcaster. This platform is an all-in-one website builder. It is a page builder, it's a funnel builder, an email broadcaster, a CRM. Basically, it's a one-stop shop for anything you could possibly need if you have a need for a website, or if you have your own business, or you're doing e-commerce, or, you know, if you're a creative, any type of entrepreneur. This is a one-stop shop where you can have all your business needs at one place. I was able to get rid of 4 or 5 of my monthly expenses. I got rid of my ClickFunnels, my ClickMagic, my GetResponse, which was my email autoresponder, and Aweber. I also had that too. So I got rid of those 4 programs right there because basically I don't need them anymore. I can do all of that and much, much more. I can build a store even. I got rid of my Shopify. I can build a store. I can build a membership program. All this with this brand new software, which is amazing. And I will talk more about this because we are going to be launching within the week, and I don't want to give too much away with that. But I did want to shout out my mentor, Vincent Ortega Jr., to shout him out and do a brief testimonial just to tell you that Vincent Ortega Jr. is not only a genius and a multi-millionaire internet marketer, he is the best mentor you could ever ask for. I have been following him and been with him, watching him develop this software and part of his affiliate program for a couple of years now. I've been on my online journey for about 3 years, but up until I met Vincent, I was jumping from shiny object to shiny object, trying to learn how to make money online, trying to start an online business, and not having much luck. I mean, I made $5 here, $10 there. It wasn't until I started with Vincent that I actually started making money, that I was able to get my questions answered, that I had somebody who could coach me and mentor me and not just leave me hanging with a program that, you know, told me some of the steps but didn't give me everything that I needed. Whereas Vincent provides a step-by-step blueprint, and he's accessible. You know, he's the owner of the company, but he's accessible as a mentor. He makes sure that you know exactly what you're doing. He cares about his students. He has the biggest heart in the world. He makes sure that we're successful. I mean, we haven't even launched yet, and I actually made a $2,500 commission in the pre-launch phase before we've even launched. So that, gives me confidence right there that I know now that we are finally launching the software, I know that I am going to easily be able to hit my goal of 100K by the end of 2022. And with Vincent's help and with the amazing genius software that he has, I have no doubts at all. So since I have been with him, in addition to that $2,500 commission, I've made a few $20 commissions, $100 here and there. So, and that was like without actually having an actual product yet. So now that we have a product, I'm ready to go. And if you are looking to make money online or have a business already, or just want to get your message out, you might want to look us up. Either to use the software for your own website, or if you do affiliate marketing, be an affiliate with our program. And if you don't already know who Vincent Ortega Jr. is, Google him, YouTube him. I certainly did, and I think that you will be pleasantly surprised that he is very different than any of the gurus that you may have had experiences with already. I'll share something with you that is kind of embarrassing, but not really, because I know a lot of people are going through this, and this is why I'm sharing it, because some of you might be in this position. But in my first year and a half of this journey, trying to learn how to make money online, I ended up spending about $40,000 that I didn't have, that I put on credit cards, trying to find the right program to teach me, buying course after course after course to teach me online marketing and business, buying business opportunities, buying marketing tools. And I didn't stop with the spending and jumping from shiny object to shiny object until 2 years in, well, not 2 years in, about 18 months in, I'd say, when I started being part of Sales Vision with Vincent Ortega Jr. And by that time I had accumulated a lot of debt, and I'm looking forward to getting out of debt and becoming financially free this year. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it because I've already been talking for almost 8 minutes, and this was supposed to be a 2-minute video. But I can blame that on my cat, I think. So I apologize for the interruptions, and subscribe to my channel, follow me. I'll be doing updates on my journey, and you can watch me grow and see if I can meet my goal. Ask me any questions. I'd love to hear your comments. I'll see you soon. Love you. Happy New Year. Have an awesome New Year. Make 2022 your best year yet.